Back here, City Gear. We got another raffle W today. Wearing some shimmers. I've actually never worn these. My daughter has, but I haven't. W. Video coming. What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoeman, and I've got an unboxing for you today. Today's February the 16th, Wednesday, and the Jordan 1 Dark Marina Blue release today. I wasn't really sure if I wanted this one for myself. I mean, it's a Jordan 1, it's nice colors. What I've seen of the materials, though, what I can see of the materials from YouTube videos and other pictures, I wasn't a huge fan. I ended up hitting on Foot Locker and City Gear, but only for grade school. I actually think I hit Foot Locker for my size as well, but I was waitlisted at the normal release time. I guess it's waiting. I'm pretty sure what's happening is it's waiting. The app is waiting, or online. Foot Locker's waiting on people to go confirm their wins, and if they don't get the confirmation from people, they'll read or choose another winner. So I think I hit on mine too, but it was after I was waitlisted and I wasn't looking at my phone. I'm pretty sure I had a notification on my phone that said I won, but by the time I looked at it and hit the button, it was already too late for me to confirm, so I had to forfeit mine too. But I've got two pairs of grade school, so maybe I can trade one for mine if I really want the pair. We'll get Hesper's reaction in just a minute, but I needed to get this video recorded and ready to go because I wanted to get it out to you today on release day, so you'll know if you need to pick these up. I haven't looked at the aftermarket prices of these since the sneakers dropped, since 10 o'clock this morning. I should probably do that. I'll actually do that at the end of the video, give you a quick update on it. But nothing was going for anything crazy. So if you wanted to pick these up this morning at least, you could have gotten them for my size 11. I think was like no more than $220 on StockX. So you would have paid $240 or something like that, which is a little more than retail. But pretty much every Jordan sells for more than retail on StockX. Jordan 1 High at least sells for more than retail on StockX once you include fees and taxes and everything. So here's the grade school. Again, this particular pair was from Foot Locker, and it's weird. My this box is not too bad. A little bit of discoloring here, stuff like that. But my box from City Gear, which my phone is sitting on right now, was not that good. It was kind of messed up. I actually did have a chance to get a size 12 at DTLR in the mall this morning when I went to pick these up, and I just decided not to. So seeing these now in hand, and I did kind of touch these just quickly on the counter at DTLR, and I wasn't terribly impressed. Let's get the pair, the one without the extra laces. But again, this comes with blue laces. I'm sure y'all have seen this before. Blue laces, white laces, and black laces. I think I'd go with either the white. I've seen them with the white, they look pretty good, or the blue that are in it. I tend to just leave whatever's in it though, for the most part. All right, so here we go. Again, this is a size 6.5. Kids, we'll get Hesper's reaction to this when she gets home. It's pretty cool. We get a white soft liner, a little bit unusual. We can get this here. Trying to film this one by myself. So, but actually the materials aren't that bad. It's a little bit better than what I expected. Not majorly, but a little bit better. Cut edges on this leather show a decent grain. It's not very thick. This size is a light shoe. Up here around the collar, this feels pretty soft. Like I like the feel of this. On the sides, it's okay. I have seen worse Jordan 1 highs. I can't remember which ones. Maybe Pollen's, but I think this is actually pretty similar to Pollen's. It's all just normal leather, not tumble, and it looks pretty good. I actually think Hesper's gonna like these. I don't think that she has any other dark blue shoes. Jordan 1 University Blue, Legends, which are mostly white. Yeah, I don't see any blue in there. What's she wearing today? She's wearing shimmers today. I wore my shimmers today for the first time ever. Peyton's worn those a couple times, and I don't like them. I do not like them. They're not that comfortable in the toe and the top of the toe. They fit me all right for a size 12 in women's, but yeah. And they get smudged really easily. But let's talk about the shoe. I like the white midsole. Let's stop with the sale stuff that makes it look like to make it look like it's aged. White works good. You just keep it for a while, and then it'll be yellow. But this is a decent looking shoe. like I said, we'll get Hesper's reaction. I think she's gonna like this. She's gonna want to keep it. I'm sure that Hailee will want it. So hopefully she'll comment on this video and let me know what she thinks about it. Since she's not here today, tell me what she thinks about it. Maybe she'll look at the video and comment. But I'd say if you can get these for close to retail, you know, very close, I would say go ahead and do it. Like I said, I haven't looked at the price right now as of this afternoon. I did actually try to go for these one account on sneakers for myself, and I didn't hit. But I think stock was pretty high. Resale volume up until today was pretty high. It's just low prices for early pairs. These just hadn't been going for that much. So I think that leaves room for them to go up quite a bit, and they could. I just think it's going to be at least a 6-month hold before these start going up. But they probably will. They'll go up a little bit. So if you want these, you got to get them now. But let me take a look at that. I'll check StockX. I'll get right back with you. All right, I'm back. Prices have stayed just about the same. Normally, on release day, just after 10 o'clock, between 10 and 3 or 4 in the afternoon, the prices on fairly limited Jordan releases go up. That's generally what happens. 5, 10, maybe up to 20%, maybe even a little bit more on a limited release. But 5 to 10, maybe 15. So let's say 5 to 15%, because people missed out. They got their hopes up. They had all this hype going for getting this shoe. They took the L, and then they're going to pay a little bit more because they got so hyped about it. I don't think I've ever done it. The Legend Blues were the only ones that I did that, but I did it beforehand. I went ahead and bought it early and paid like $260, which is a little bit too much. But otherwise, I haven't ever done that. Going through that the impulsiveness of taking an L on a release day and then paying extra afterwards. Because, I mean, there's more Jordan 1s, the Laker-ish looking colorway coming out in later this month. I think there's probably another one. Today I went to the mall. There was several shoes sitting on the shelf. Actually, you need to take a look at this. There were some mids, some bread mids. I'm not really a huge fan of the color blocking, but they're there. And some one lows that looked similar, very similar on the shelf from a ways away. Looked very similar to the women's corduroy one lows that I've had a couple of that I really liked. These were a little bit different, maybe a curry colorway. I didn't look at the actual colorway, but they were pretty nice. Take a look at them on the shelf. I didn't get any video of it, but the diamond mids and the diamond lows, I saw both of them sitting on the shelves. One a Hibbett and one a DTLR. So I think that the demand on those has really dropped off. I've got my low pair, probably won't end up keeping it. But enjoy the little bit of footage from the mall. Price on this. Price on the men's went up to $220. Price on this one went up to like, I think $160, $170. So you're paying $30, $40 more for either a bigger grade school pair or a middle of the road size 11 men's pair. I expect they'll probably stay there for a while and creep up over time, but it's going to be a while. So if you're interested in these, you're not going to be blown away when you get them, but you're also not, I'm not terribly disappointed in this material and the build. The color in hand is better than what I expected. I hope you can see it, get a good idea of this color. I don't think I have anything good to compare it to. Blue. Nope. It's not that one. I don't know if you can see that here. Can't remember the name of that color. But that's like a standard blue color on a Jordan 1 low there. But you probably just won't be disappointed, and that's about it. But you won't be blown away either. So that's about as good as it gets for me. We'll cut over to the in-store, in-mall vlog from today, and then give you Hesper's reaction. She'll take us out. See you next time. All right, new part to our videos. What shoes did you wear today?
Shimmers.
Did you like them?
They're okay.
Yeah, they went nicely with the
flowers?
Yes. I wore mine today too because of you.
Oh.
I really like them. All right. Got a new pair of shoes. This is your size. It's not just for you to get a reaction for. I mean, I do want to see your reaction, but it is your size. Take a look. Take a look.
Foot Locker.
Foot Locker.
Bag.
What's in there?
A shoe.
Yes. What kind?
I don't know.
You don't know what comes in that box? What?
Is it a one?
Yes, a one.
Oh, it's Batman.
That's Batman?
No.
Oh. No, Batman's got yellow.
It depends on what Batman.
I guess.
There's a lot of Batmans. This is not my size.
Yes, it is. What size are you?
I don't know.
6.5.
It doesn't look like 6.5. This looks like 9.
That's a 6.5. It does look big. Let's see.
This can't be 9.
6.5. Grab the, yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Let's see. You know.
It's bigger, babe. I guess it's the same.
Yeah. So while I was making the video, I was just looking in there, like, what blue shoes does she have? Does she want blue shoes? Does she? No, I know you don't need them, but like, do you need them for the fit? You know? What do you think? Have a seat.
Oh.
What do you think? I need your thoughts.
I'm trying to think. I don't have any blue shirts. I got rid of all my blue shirts when I went to Alexander. When I was at Mirror Lake, I could have rocked this.
You can still rock it, but
I guess I could get it with like the Space Jam stuff, or
do you have Space Jam stuff?
yeah, I have Space Jam stuff, but that goes with something else.
All right. Well, overall, then, like, just seems like you're not that interested.
I'm interested if I can match.
Okay.
Okay, so like this.
Yeah, it matches.
The only reason I wore the trimmers.
Yeah. Okay.
Like, if you just wear shoes to wear shoes, what's the point in that? Like, you should look good in them.
If you're gonna get new shoes.
Like, if you're going to get expensive shoes,
Yeah.
you should at least make stuff look good with them.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Like, you don't just wear them.
Okay. So that means I should just get rid of them because you're not that big on
I mean, I could go shopping.
them. All right, but you're not thrilled.
Maybe if you put the white laces in it.
Yeah, I think I liked them with the white laces. Like, I've seen pictures of those.
I gotta go look in my closet.
All right.
Because I go through so much stuff.
So you're not like thrilled, but you're not like, ooh, these are ugly.
But this, like, what was another shoe that I wasn't like that about?
The fives? Moonlights?
I don't know. Like, I didn't even like sneakers when you started doing this.
Right.
Like, I wore heels all the time.
Yeah.
So this is new territory for me. So for me to just look at it, I told you I have to put it on. Like, it's not.
No, you got. That's not what you always said.
What do I say?
You're like, I got to see it in person. Now you got to put it on.
I gotta put it on. Like,
right.
I'm evolving.
All right. Well, we'll see.
Like, now I see it, but there's no laces in it.
Yeah, that's true.
And it's just hard to envision. I mean, I guess there's a lace, but
yeah,
I can't see it.
All right. Maybe we'll get an update in a future video on whether or not you like these.
Like, I know it's in my closet and I'm just not seeing anything that, like, jumps out. But I want to look good with it.
Yeah. All right.
So.
Well, in a future video, like next week, we'll give an update on whether or not you kept these and what your overall thought was, especially after we get them laced and you put them on and stuff. How they smell?
They're so strong.
Really?
They're like the blue ones. The blue ones are just now smelling like new shoes. Like, they were like glue on crack.
Yeah, they are pretty strong.
I don't know what that means, but.
All right, take us out.
Subscribe to the channel. Super Dan, she might would appreciate it. Invite your grandma to come look at it. Ask her to subscribe. Tell her there is a bunch of grandkids here. Bunch of grandmas here. They could just collab together and get their fit on. If you like what you see, like it, tell your friends. What else is there?
Holla.
Holla. You're so pretty.
I'm so glad.
Juice.